Morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. It's Baguio day 3 and it's 11:51, almost 12. Kinakabahan ako kasi event namin is 1:45 and sana nandun na ako ng mga 1 or 1:30. Lapit na naman yung venue pero kasi ngayon speaking engagement again. So day 2 nung Baguio tawag dito, Baguio Digital Nomad Weekend Fest. So, andun na naman ako sa same co-working space sa event na yon today. So, kailangan ko mang madali eh. So, a little bit work and update ako. Ngayon nag-breakfast ako. Binili ko to yesterday para alam kong hindi ako aabot ng breakfast today kasi I ended my shift last night at 5-ish a.m. So, in-anticipate ko na to. So, yeah, kain tayo guys. I'm having spam rice from Foam. So, in-order ko na to kagabi. Oo, in-anticipate na natin, na malilate tayo ng gising. Kaya kumain tayo, mga or else patay-patay tayo later, Oo, kasi doon, puro kape. My gosh, let's eat, guys. Ang kimchi rice today. Taray. Sarap. Malamig lang. Grabe, magtutuna guys at malilate na ako pero mabilis lang naman to. Laban.
Hello!
Finally! Natapos ang event.
Finally, it happened to me.
Oh, pucha. So, the event, kanina hindi na ako nakapag-vlog masyado kasi I was running late. Kasi like, pag upo ko doon, halos next na ako.
Wala kaming booth
Wala,
because of
oo.
that. As in, like, well, no. We had the booth yesterday from day 1. But
Correct.
you know what happened? May mga umupo na doon. So,
Medyo mo po.
Oo.
So, we are the NPAs, no permanent address. Ganon.
at napaside ang aming mga barindela.
Yes, pero nagawa namin ng paraan.
Yeah.
But,
We asked for small tables and we had, you can see it sa
Vlogelia.
other clips ni Jamie.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng pagkakasetup.
Paper
namin with
clips.
True, with the
Sorry.
pop sockets and the keychains and the ball pens. Kami lang may ganun.
Correct. So, mga it's time to eat. We got a good taste ourselves,
Yeah.
we believe.
We
So,
get a good taste ourselves.
yeah, we good taste because we taste good. Uy! Joke lang. See ya later.
See ya!
Grabe, it's already 1:26 a.m. and I just got home and I just had the best weekend of my life, best Baguio trip ever so far. It's my first time to actually watch drag queens on stage. I've been watching RuPaul's Drag Race sa Drag Race Philippines for the longest time. And hindi lang talaga ako nagka-courage manood sa mga drag bars in Manila such as O-Bar, yung mga ganon. So, the first time na talagang naka-watch ako dito sa Hive sa Baguio, and it's owned by a friend, Adrian. Shout out sa'yo, maraming salamat for inviting me to your own bar. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako. And guys, before that, we had dinner naman sa Cilantro. It was a long day for us. Hindi kami masyado nakapag-vlog, nakapag-update dito. We're very sorry because it was a busy one, but yung after the event was the best part we're in. Talagang I literally enjoyed. I barely go out in reality sa Manila. So me having a fun Saturday night means a lot talaga. So thank you, Kale and Liza for joining me sa night na ito. I super enjoyed. And yeah, tomorrow is my last full day here in Baguio. And I'll just catch up with other clients and chill, probably go back to Lebanon Olives. I don't know, but for now, I have to edit this vlog, so I have to say goodbye to you guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.